Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. If today is your first time tuning in, my name is Olajumoke. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Ibadan City. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about something very interesting, guys. Today we are going to be discussing, me and you, all right? We are going to be discussing because I want you to leave your view in the comment section, all right? Your take on what I'm about to say. So in today's video, we are going to be discussing about why your partner is cheating on you, why your husband, your boyfriend, your partner keeps going after side chick. All right, so if this sounds as what you are interested in, please click on the subscribe button for more information about this topic. Like this video for YouTube to recommend this video to as many people that are interested in watching this kind of video and getting this kind of information. All right, why your partner keeps chasing after side chick, what you are not doing right, what you know sabi. We are going to be discussing it in this video, and also I'm going to be telling you some things you can use, something you can just find around without breaking the bank, without buying Kayamata stuff from Kayamata sellers like me. All right, you want to DIY, rest your mind. I have 2 ingredients I'm going to be giving you in this video for free. I'm still going to be telling you what to do with it so that you can get this slimy, juicy, so that your honey pot can stay very delicious, very sweet, slimy, juicy, and what have you. We all know that if you are not slimy, if you are not juicy, your honey pot can never be interesting. That is the truth. Okay, guys, I will start by saying, please don't mix the spiritual with the physical things. All right, there are a lot of ladies right now who are crying, running from pillar to pole, crying that their partner left them, abandoned them because of side chick. In this video, I would really like to tell you to check yourself first. All right, what are you doing wrong? What is the side chick of your man doing right that you are not doing? It is high time to separate physical from spirituality. I mean, stop doing that shit. Okay, what you are meant to take action for in the physical realm, stop taking spiritual action for it. It doesn't work that way. Imagine a lady that that your honey pot, your pickles is smelling like a rotten rat. What is that? What is that? Guys, it is high time we start telling ourselves the truth. Okay, because see, this is women supporting women. I need to tell you the truth. There are some women that are very dirty, but see, don't let me even go there. Cleanliness is holy. All right, please try as much as possible to always clean yourself up. If you don't know how to clean yourself up as a woman, watch YouTube videos. There are videos that specify how a woman should actually clean up herself. Okay, so that being said, so let's now go into the juicy part of this video. I don't want to talk about that because see, a lot of women are a lot of men are running away from their women, from their partner, from their from their wife or girlfriend relationship because of smelling pickles. That is the truth. Rotten pickles that smell like a rotten rat, and that is not ideal. You yourself, you have to stay clean. All right, stay clean. It is very important. That is personal hygiene. Imagine a lady sitting down, spreading her legs, and everywhere is smelling like a like a rotten fish. That does not even make any sense. But anyways, that is not why we are here today. I just have to say that one first. As a lady, for your honey pot to stay juicy, sliming and sweet, you all know that your honey pot has to produce juice. Your honey pot has to be wet. All right, I know that there's some ladies that are experiencing low libido. That is fine. All right, that could be due to age, childbearing and hormonal imbalance and what have you. A lot of factors can contribute to low libido, but no problem, I got your back. In this video I'm going to be showing you two fruits. It is fruit, all right? You don't need to break the bank, you don't need to borrow money, you don't need to come and beg me on the phone, please have mercy on me, my husband is cheating, my boyfriend is cheating, my man is stingy, he's not spending on me but he's actually spending on side chick. See, side chick know the way, she sabi wetin to do at the right time. You go just dey house, dey tie wrapper for body, dey pray morning afternoon, dey fast. God, be with my husband, be with my man, let no evil befall him. Oh, let no strange woman have place in his life. That is actually a joke, all right? That is a joke prayer. Like, you are just deceiving yourself. If you are not doing what you're supposed to do, if you are not giving, if your honey pot is not giving the vibe it is supposed to give, your man will always go outside for satisfaction. And when the outside babe is doing him right, you know wetin I dey talk, then your man stay glued. Everything is supposed to bring to you will be shared into like 10 safe. You will be collecting 1 portion and the side chick will be collecting 9 portion. Can you see that the logic is not working? Except you stand up and do what you're supposed to do, act on time. Okay, so today I'm going to be giving you 2 fruits. The picture will be on the screen right now, but the fruits are seasonal anyway. But if you can lay your hands on this, if you are a kind of lady that you know that you too you are stingy, you cannot buy kaya mata, so this fruit will be like a remedy for you. Try as much as possible to use this recipe once a week. Okay, don't be drinking it too much because it can cause constipation for you. Okay, so there's one fruit called golden, is it golden egg or golden fruit or something? I will put the name on the screen and also the picture of the fruit so that you can get to know what the fruit looks like and get a pineapple. All right, one each. All right, slice it down. A pineapple. All right, the picture of a pineapple will be placed on the screen so that you know the kind of fruit I'm talking about. So you cut both of it down, all right, into chunks or pieces, whatever you people call it. Blend it together. See, I cannot tell you the magic this fruit, the combination of this fruit is going to do in your body as a woman, most especially if you have a low libido. Your kpekus no dey produce juice. See, this fruit actually got your back. These 2 fruits is very, very effective and you can never get it wrong with this fruit. Okay, so having said this, you have to take a cup of it once in a week. All right, once in a week. Okay, and after then I'm sure you are going to come back to this comment section and testify to the glory of God in your life. All right, so if this video sounds interesting and educative to you, kindly click on the subscribe button, like this video, share this video for people so that they too can have access to this information. All right, if you are a man watching me right now, try as much as possible to share this video with your wife. All right, most especially if you have a wife that have a low libido, that honey pot is not juicy or slimy. Because see, the truth is, if the thing no dey slime, there's no sweetness. All right, and where there's no sweetness, there's no want. Your man will keep going outside. All right, so so we've come to the end of this video. Like I said earlier, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment in the comment section if you know this fruit, and if perhaps you have used this combination before, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.